What do you think? I have no clue what that is. Don't think I've ever had anything like that before. So, answers on the postcard, let me know on the comments. Thank you. Let's keep going. The sun's out in Norfolk and the finds are starting to come. Just found this little buckle. Just clean it up a little bit for you. Probably a little, might be medieval. But yeah, nice little buckle. Rustles in the middle. I think might be medieval. On to the next. Excuse the wind. Right, ladies and gents, we've got ourselves a little hammered. Just see it through there. I haven't looked at it yet. That is unusual. I haven't seen one like that before. Might be Spanish, that one. Ladies and gents, pretty sure that was Spanish half real that hammered.